Hello TTfonians. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to insert your SIM card and get started with your TT190 phone. First, remove the back cover of your phone. The TT190 uses a standard-sized SIM card. If you have a nano or micro SIM, use an adapter to make it fit properly. Now insert your SIM card into the slot. Make sure the cut edge is at the top left corner. Slide it down gently. Next, insert the battery. Make sure the metal connectors are aligned correctly. Put the back cover back on and press it gently into place. To turn it on, press and hold the red button for about 3 seconds. You'll see the TTfone welcome screen appear. And that's it. Your TT190 is now ready to use.